When it comes to keeping your home spotless, especially with pets and kids running around, having a reliable and powerful cleaner is a game changer. This Bissell SpotClean Pro portable carpet cleaner is a top contender in the world of portable spot and stain cleaners. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle the toughest spots, pet stains, and dirt that are deeply embedded in your carpets, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the features, benefits, and reasons why this cleaner is a must-have for any home. 1. Unmatched power for stubborn stains and spots. The Bissell SpotClean Pro is equipped with powerful suction and scrubbing action, making it a stain-fighting machine. Whether it's wine stains, pet messes, or ground and dirt, this cleaner has the power to lift and remove even the most stubborn spots. It combines superior suction with Bissell's specially formulated cleaning solution to break down stains and remove embedded dirt, leaving your carpets and upholstery looking like new. The 5.7 amp power rating ensures that you get a deep clean every time, giving you professional-style results at home. It's particularly effective for high-traffic areas where stains and dirt tend to accumulate the most. 2. Portable and easy to use. One of the standout features of the Bissell SpotClean Pro is its portability. Weighing just 13 pounds, this machine is easy to carry to those hard-to-reach places, whether it's the stairs, under furniture, or your car's interior. The compact design ensures that it's easy to store when not in use, making it perfect for apartments or homes where space is limited. You don't have to lug around a large, cumbersome cleaner. Just grab the SpotClean Pro, and you're ready to go. The 6-inch Stair Tool makes it even easier to clean stairs, while the 3-inch Tough Stain Tool is perfect for concentrated areas that need extra attention. 3. Ideal for pet owners. If you have pets, you know the constant battle with pet stains and odors. The Bissell SpotClean Pro is designed to handle all the mess that comes with furry friends. From pet urine to tracked-in mud, the powerful suction and scrubbing action break down and remove pet stains with ease. It even includes a trial-size bottle of ProMax Clean Plus Protect formula, specially designed to eliminate tough pet messes and prevent future stains. And it's not just about cleaning up after your pets. Bissell is committed to helping them too. With every purchase, you're supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. So you're not only making your home cleaner, you're contributing to a great cause. 4. Professional style cleaning at home. With the Bissell SpotClean Pro, you don't need to hire professional cleaners or rent bulky machines. This cleaner gives you professional-grade results in a compact and portable package. It permanently removes tough messes and protects your carpets from future stains with its Stain Protect technology. Whether you're dealing with an unexpected spill or regular maintenance, the SpotClean Pro is equipped to handle it all. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution. 5. Versatile cleaning for multiple surfaces. The SpotClean Pro isn't just for carpets. Its versatility extends to a variety of surfaces, including upholstery, great for removing stains from couches, chairs, and other fabric surfaces. Area rugs, effective on rugs, leaving them looking and feeling refreshed. Auto interiors, perfect for cleaning car seats, floor mats, and other interior surfaces. Stairs, the specialized Stair Tool makes it easy to clean up and down staircases without hassle. This machine is the perfect all-in-one solution for maintaining a spotless home, car, or office space. 6. User-friendly and time-saving. Using the Bissell SpotClean Pro is incredibly simple. The easy fill tank makes refilling and emptying a breeze, and the extra-long power cord allows for extended reach without needing to switch outlets. The tools are easy to attach and detach, making it quick to switch between cleaning tasks. You can spot clean specific areas without having to clean the entire room, saving you time and energy. Plus, with its quick setup and easy operation, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your refreshed, stain-free space. Why you should buy the Bissell SpotClean Pro? The Bissell SpotClean Pro is more than just a carpet cleaner. It's a stain-fighting powerhouse that's perfect for any home. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes, pet accidents, or deep-seated stains, this machine is up to the task. Its portability, Powerful suction and specialized tools make it a versatile cleaning tool that can handle multiple surfaces. If you're a pet owner or someone who frequently deals with spills and stains, the Bissell SpotClean Pro will become your go-to cleaning device. It's compact, powerful, and effective. Everything you need in a portable cleaner. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.